Very good job. Okay, yeah, use that. Pick it up. Okay, put it down now. No. Down. Okay. Yeah, that's good. And connect the lines. Go! Put it down on. Sige na. Ano yun? Tuyo ka, tuyo ka. Very good. Get other pieces na. Excellent. Excellent, baby. Aywa. Yeah. Okay, that's good enough. Next piece na. Okay. Where's the trunk of the elephant? Where's the nose of the elephant? The nose of the elephant. Where's the nose? No. No, nose the elephant na. No, no. That one. You put it at the. Where's the elephant? Okay, good. You connect. No, down, little. Okay. Connect. Tuyo ka. Na. Very good job. Last two pieces na. Where's the monkey? Okay, good. The other one. No. Put it there. Very good. The last piece. What is that last piece?
Lion.
Is it lion? Are you sure? Are you sure that's lion? Huh? Are you sure that's lion?
Yes.
Really?
Really.
Is that a lion?
Yes.
Starts with letter T. What is that letter T? Ta.
There is the hippo.
Hippo? You find the hippo. Where's the hippo? How about the snake? Huh? You've seen a snake? Can you see a snake? Snake din na. Nose man ni elephant. I think it's the back of the elephant. How about the monkey? How about the monkey? Where is it?
It is the implant.
And also you can color this puzzle. You can color this puzzle.
Yes,
Let's do it. Sige, color the puzzle na. Not a color pencil. Try a crayon. Try a crayon, not color pencil. You can try using crayons.
Huh?
Crayons.
I have
Yeah.
layer.
You don't have?
Huh?
Okay, next time we'll buy. Okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye na sa video. Bye-bye. Say hi. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Lian, check your diaper, be. Is it puno na, be? Is it puno with ihi?
No.
No?